सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ verse number 113. अनन्तरूपोऽनन्तश्रीः जितमन्युर्भयापहः चतुरश्रो गभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः In this verse, we are seeing 936th Nama, Chaturashraha. After seeing Bhayapaha, the Lord Vishnu, who destroys the Bhayam, which is caused by Samsara. Samsara Bhayam. What is Samsara Bhayam? What is Samsara? Shariram, Manas. The Sharira, Manas Sambandhamana, whatever Bhaya comes, old age comes because of Sharira attachment. And the mental, emotional fear that comes because of mind. So, that Bhaya will be removed only by Lord Vishnu. So, therefore, he is called Bhayapahaha, the destroyer of Bhayam. Chaturashraha Pumsam Karmanurupam Phalam Prayachati. The Lord Vishnu is one who gives the phalam, karma phalam, according to their karma. So, there is no any unjust. No one can give that much clear judgment. Only Bhagavan gives clear judgment. The karma phalam, exactly he gives. That much confidence we should have. Then only we can retain the bhakti on the Lord. The moment I am responsible, my karmas are responsible at present, sukha dukkha, if I know. Any sukha dukkha concerned to body or mind or relatives and atmosphere, the climate, everything. My karma only responsible means I will take care of my future. So that is the advantage of knowing the sukha dukkha. I can bear with full conviction also, no doubt in that. Question varadu. So what happens? That karma phalam happily you enjoy. For other people to see how this person is struggling, but once I know that my karma phala alone, once I am responsible, we never be weak. So we will get strength also. See, that is why whenever we commit mistake also, na panna tavardane, that's why we will adjust. Like this, our teeth, they will bite our tongue. So, nama palludane pavam. We will adjust, and the pain you see, and the tongue, when you bite, evla pain irukkum. But still, kannula thanni vandittu irukkum. You will just, swallow. Because you know that. Similarly, the karma phala, my sukha, dukkha, I am responsible. Naturally, you will get strength to withstand to that calamity, any sort of pain. That is why some people, why they withstand even some, difficulties. Lot of adversities also they come up. And they will withstand without any damage to their body, mind. Because this is the conviction they have. I am responsible. So Lord only gives distributor. Lord alone, only the distributor. no one else. So therefore we will stop. Why Bhagavan? And the word kuda varakudadu. First we should not blame the Lord. You are only giving to me. Adi you have tandiyachi. You have crossed that state and you have come to that state, my karma phala alone only. Then after some time even this word also should not come. Why for me? That question also should not come. எனக்கு தான் ஏன் வரணும் அன்னது கூட வரக்கூடாது. That means what? You have to get some more maturity not to ask that question also. You require a tremendous maturity, lot of willpower we require. Therefore Chaturashraha. Gabhiratma, 937th nama, Gabhiratma. One whose form or mind is immeasurable. Ishvara also has got mind, total mind. It is immeasurable. Gabhirama irukkanum. Aalama irukkannu solran illaya. So Gabhiram. That is called Gambhiram, Gabhiram. You cannot know the person, what he is thinking or she is thinking, how he is going to react. Munna theriyadu, mukhamla theriyave theriyadu. Anna yamna Gabhirama irukkarna. Here Atma means not Satchidananda Atma. Gabhira Atma means mind. So Bhagavan is one, even though he also faced lot of censure, lot of praise. அது எப்பவுமே இருக்கும். அவதாரம் இருக்கும்போது கூட even Rama, Krishna, even great avatars also faced the censure and praise, glory. Some people glorify, some other group of people criticize. அப்படி இப்படி இல்லை, criticize. You know, they criticize so much and you cannot withstand. எங்கேயாவது ஓடி போயிடலாமான்னு தோணும். அந்த மாதிரி criticism கூட everyone have to face. Everyone of life, once at any time in life, எந்த மாதிரி வரலாம் அந்த சென்ஷூர், எப்படி வருமோ தெரியாது. அந்த இன்சல்ட் தாங்கிருக்க சக்தி இருக்கணும்னா you require a tremendous bhakti இருக்கணும், surrender to the Lord. Ordinary person. Bhagavan also faced that. Krishna also faced a lot of censure, but still he maintained that Gambhiratan, Gabhiratman. The form and mind you cannot measure. என்ன யோசிக்கிறான், என்ன பண்ண போறான்னு தெரியாது. அப்படி இருக்கணும் ஆக்சுவலா. That is really, you are very difficult to understand you by others. என்ன யோசிக்கிறா, what he is thinking, what he is going to another. Even your form, you are thinking also, it is that it doesn't mean you are not approachable, you are confusing person கிடையாது. But you have lot of thinking within you. The other day Swamiji was telling how the Shiva took that poison, kept in the throat. Neelakanthan. The poison you have to keep inside. He kept that Chandran on the top of the head. So any censure, any insult comes, just keep here. No? Garalan, poison. Garalan is poison. Insult is a poison to equal. So Bhagavan Shiva, he kept inside. And it should not hurt others also. He should not hurt him and others. So when insult comes or any censure comes, we also should totally swallow the problem, create psychosomatic problems. We give you problems to others. So you have to do, keep it in the middle. It is sahajam, natural. Really speaking, there is no insult at all. These are all my ajnana only. Body mind complex, ahankara playing a role. This is a real analysis. Only through ajnanam, by understanding, you can be happy. Bhagavan Krishna Paramatma, Rama also faced a lot of insult. Gambhirama irupar. Rama, you see the face? Gambhirama irupar. At least now onwards. என்ன நான் எவ்வளவு இன்சல்ட் பண்ண உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட இல்லையான்னு அதை சொல்லுவா. People are, when they are insulting, they look at your face, how your face is going to change. அப்போ ரொம்ப ஆனந்தம் அவனுக்கு. If you don't change, they will increase more and more. You need not smile also. Better not to smile that time. ఉన్నదని కూడా నో ఎమోషన్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ దట్ టైమ్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ గభీరం. దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డెవలప్. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮೂಲಮದ ವரும். ಸೊ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಗಭೀರಾತ್ಮ. ಆತ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪಂ ಚಿತ್ತಂ. ಚಿತ್ತಂ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಗಭೀರಂ ಪರಿಚ್ಛೇತ್ತುಂ ಅಶಕ್ಯಂ. To know or to measure, it is very, very parichetum shakyam, ashakyam, asya iti. So very difficult. Gabhiratma. Vidishaha 938. Vidishaha vividhani phalani adhikaribhyah विशेषेण दिशति. विदिशः दाधातु gives. What he gives? Vividhani phalani. Vividham. It represents vividham, varieties of, many. You can support it, all support. Vividhani phalani, varieties of phalams, results. To whom he gives adhikaribhyah. What? Qualified, to qualify people. No, whatever phalam he has to give, he gives to that qualified people. The qualification illadanu kodukamatar. So that means what? Whatever we deserve, we get. And anardham ida. Bhagavan knows whether we are qualified or not, what to give, what not to give. If you give so much, you cannot hold on. If you don't give also, you cannot stand. That's why Bhagavan ஒரு அளவுக்கு தான் கொடுப்பார். So your height, your personality, your family, your color, your knowledge, everything. So karmani phalani vividhani phalani adhikaribhyah visheshena dadati visheshena dishati. விசேஷமா அல்ல, பகவான் என்னென்ன விசேஷமா எனக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காரு அது பார்க்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு வி ஹாவ் டு ஐடென்டிஃபை விசேஷமானது, ஒரு சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட் திங் வாட் எவர் பகவான் ஹேஸ் கிவன் டு மீ. ஓ, இந்த குவாலிட்டி யாருக்கும் மேலே எனக்கு இருக்க, விசேஷமாக இருக்குது எனக்கு கேட்டேன்ன. கோபம் இருந்தால் கூட விசேஷம்தான். விசேஷமாக இருக்கு எனக்கு கேட்டேன்னா பெக்யூலியர் நேச்சர், பெக்யூலியராக இருப்பார். ஒரு சம் பீப்புள் நோ பெக்யூலியராக இருப்பார், சம் விசேஷம். ஸோ எவ்ரி ஒன் ஹேஸ் ஹேவிங் குட் பாசிட்டிவ் விசேஷ characteristics. Bhagavan gives to that. So see that what Bhagavan has given to you and realize that. And be happy with that also. I am so fortunate, Bhagavan you have given to me. Enna periya visesham. Other person having 20 rupees, I have 30 rupees. So 10 rupees extra dane. Adi viseshanam dane. So like money I am telling. Similarly, house, body, family, children, knowledge, you see, compare with the other people. So vidishaha. Then vyadishaha, plain da. Okay, not vyadhishaha. Vyadhi anna rogam aidum. Tatha da, second, third da. Vyadishaha means 938. 39, correct. Vividham आज्ञाम, विविधाम आज्ञाम शक्रादीनाम कुर्वन्. Vividham means varieties of, आज्ञाम means order. Orders. Shakradinam. Shakradinam means Indra. Shakra means Indra. Adina means other devatas. Adinam kurvan. The Lord Vishnu who gives orders to the Indra, etc., other devatas. So he always says, he is always giving orders, suggestions, advice to against to Rakshasas. Say Rakshasas are going to come, they have all these boons. You know, he comes and warns this Indra and other devatas. That means what? Lord Vishnu is always side of this devatas, you know, for devatas. Partiality dane? Bhagavan is having partiality? No. So compare these devatas to good virtues, you know, virtues. And these Rakshasas are all not virtues, vices, Durgunas. Sadgunam, Durguna. So Bhagavan always encourages Sadgunas. So Durgunam is in the danger. Why Durgunam is danger? Modalake mosam nishallo illa, Bhagavanike mosam. The Rakshasas, what they did because of this Kama, Krodha, Lobha, even they, Ramana, even other Rakshasas, Shivan, how much they want to test even Lord. Those are given the boon. Bhasmasura want to test Vishnu, Shiva, all these Rakshasas. So that's why even Durguna is there, bad habits, qualities, thoughts are there. They destroy the whole creation. Destroying the creation means they are doing harm to the Lord, because the creation belongs to the Ishvara. So that Ishvara creation, it disturbs the whole system. Cosmic disharmony takes place. So it is the Bhagavan's job to maintain cosmic harmony. Therefore, he always gives order to the Shakradinam. Next Nama, Dishaha, 940. Vidishaham, like that only, this also, but the little change is here. The giver of all results, the giver of all results of the actions, same Vidishaha also, but here through the Vedas. That word is different, through the Vedas. Samastanam karmanam phalani dishan, gives the results of all actions Vedatmanan. Vedatmana means through Vedan. So therefore, Bhagavan is giving phalam not by his whims and fancies. That results he is giving based on that Dharma Shastra, that Veda, Purva, Veda, Anta, the whole Veda Shastra, whatever is said, Dharma there, according to that he has to give. So according to that manual, Vedatmana, through Veda, just like the judge gives judgment. He has to go and refer the laws and the books. That law, according to that law, he has to decide, he has to give. Is it not? So, for this this crime, for this mistake, this sin, what punishment I have to give? So, what this judge do? He go and refer what punishment I have to give. You should not give any punishment without seeing that law. According to law, you have to give the punishment. So even Lord also giving karma phalam, either punishment or pleasure. Anyway, it may come. So he has to give according to Vedatmana, according to Veda, Vidhi. Veda means what? Vidhi Nishedha irke. In the Vidhi mano eppadi pandrika even, how he has done the karma, according to Veda he did or against Veda. Vidhi Veda Vidhi Purvakama pannana, illa Veda Nishiddha karma pannitana. Adi paathittu kudukkanum. So Lord Vedatmana he gives. Therefore what we do? Veda is the equal to Lord. So Veda is the main, this law. Our life, whole life is governed by Veda. That is why in our culture, the whole country once upon a time was totally governed by Veda. Bhagavan also surrendered to Veda. Even Rama, Krishna also, they have to surrender to Veda. Imagine. That is, these are all law books and all, they have taken from Dharma Shastra, Manu Shastra, and so all codes came from that only. From Veda only. They are all derived now. So they are all in this form now available, but really their root, their base, where is it in Veda? Now you see how much important to study scriptures. That is why I used to say often, learning vehicle, but not learning the rules and regulations of the traffic. And now how many cars, new models are coming. I want to learn driving, I want to do driving. But I don't want to learn rules and regulations. More dangerous driving. This person comes on the road, that's all. That's what now when you want to drive, you have to learn rules and regulations of traffic. Similarly, when you want to live in this body, when you have taken this vehicle, how much amount, punyam, papa, You have taken this body. This vehicle I have taken, no, I don't want to follow that Vedic manual. I don't want to follow rules and regulation, but I want to enjoy in this body. Kuttu kadikkondu. Kadikkirade. That's why Bhagavan gives it. That's why whoever follows Vedic dharma, vidhi, nishedha, that person is safe. That journey is safe. These are all highly thinking, our people, rishis, beautiful. This has to go into the bloodstream of our society. Then only these atrocities, these killings, massacres will stop. So the moment Vedic dharma is not there, the whole world become like a jungle. Very, very dangerous. That's what we are seeing in the present society. I have seen 2 days before how that, the peru solradhukku bayama irukku ane peru. What a person, how human being can become a bandit and so treacherous time for death. Veda is very important, law is important, rules, regulations are important, vidhi, nisheda important. Why vidhi, nisheda means for my sake only. To travel safely, to reach my goal safely. So in this journey to reach my goal, the moksha, parama purushartha, I can travel safely and Veda, follow Veda, listen to Veda, study Shastra. Therefore Lord is Dishaha. Next sloka we will read. Anadir bhurбhuvo lakshmi Suviro ruchirangadah Janano janajanmadi Bhimo bhima parakramah. In this 114th sloka, the first nama here, Anadihi, 941. Adihi means Karanam, the cause, the one who is having beginning. Adihi. Anadihi means the one who is not having beginning, beginningless. Adihi Karanam Asya na vidyata iti. The Lord Vishnu is one who is not having the beginning. Adihi Karanam Asya na vidyata. Avarku kadiyadu. Anadihi. Simple. So he is causeless cause. The causeless cause. Next nama Bhurbhuvaha. So Anadihi, another word is Sarva Karanatvat Anadihi. Previous name 941. Sarva Karanatvat Anadihi. Because he is the cause of everything, but nothing is cause for him. He is the cause for everything, but nothing is cause for him. Therefore Anadihi. Bhurbhuvaha. Bhuhu Adharaha. Bhuhu means Adharaha, the supporter of earth. Bhuhu. Bhuvaha means Sarva Bhutashrayattvena Prasiddhayaha Bhumyaha. Bhuvaha means the bestower of all Panchabhutas, Sarva Bhutashrayattvena, Panchabhutas plus other beings. Sarva Bhutashrayam. Ashrayam means supporter, shelter. The Lord Vishnu only is Ashrayam for all beings. Actually, Bhumi is the supporter of all things. Yes? The Bhumi is the supporter. Maximum beings are on the earth only, no other planets having beings. So everything is supported by earth. But what about other planets? That is why here Sarva Bhutashrayattvena, even other planets other solar energies, you can see stars, other grahams, the whole creation depended on this Lord. He is the supporter of, including the Bhumata. Now what we are thinking, this earth only is giving support for us. So this earth ki yaar support na? This earth is supported by the Lord. Therefore he is called Bhuvahan. Bhur Bhuvaha means a supporter of this earth as well as other lokas, even Swarga Loka. Therefore Suvaha also we have to include here. Suvaha, Bhur Bhuva Suvaha. Suvaha means the signs of spirit. Atma Vidya. Who is the supporter of Atma Vidya? He is the support for Atma Vidya also. Atma Vidya nanna. How can you study Atma? Bhagavan is the support. Consciousness in the form of consciousness. So Bhur Bhuvaha Lakshmi, you can include all these two, 42 and 43. Athava na kevalam asau Bhuhu Bhuvaha Lakshmihi also. Not only he is the supporter of earth and all other beings, other planets, he is Lakshmihi, Shobha cha iti. Bhur Bhur Lakshmi. You can combine also. Shobha. Lakshmi means what? Mangalam, auspicious. Namana nenakku Lakshmi ante nalla dhanam varum, panam varum. Lakshmi means not only Dhanalakshmi, Dhanya Lakshmi, Santana Lakshmi, Veera Lakshmi, Dhairi Lakshmi, Gaja Lakshmi, Vijay Lakshmi, mainly Vidya Lakshmi. All Ashta Lakshmis put together. Generally people Lakshmi and only Pananda. So, they will think. So even Arogya Lakshmi also. Arogya means the Lakshmi then. Arogya Lakshmi. Therefore, Lakshmi he means here he says Atma Vidya. Lakshmi he means Atma Vidya. See Shankaracharya interpretation. Now our interpretation only materialistic. So the all should culminate into that. Atma Vidya. There is one Shruti mantra also there. Atma Vidya cha Devi Tvam. When they are chanting the Lakshmi Stotram, the word comes like this. Atma Vidya cha Devi Tvam. You are the Atma Vidya. Iti Shruti Shrihi Stutau. Shrihi na Lakshmi. When they are doing Lakshmi Stavam, Stuti, they say like this. That's why Bhumyantaras Shrayoho. Bhumyantaras Antarish Shriyoho Shobha itiva Bhur Bhur Lakshmi. The common meaning. That means prosperity on the earth, prosperity, Mangalam for all planets, and the ultimate Mangalam is Jnanam. So Bhur Bhur Lakshmi. So everything, if all planets, Bhumi, everything in their proper condition alone, this person also get Atma Vidya. Is it not? Though, therefore you require prosperity of everything. Food. No? Now see, rain is not there. Nobody is able to produce water. How much intellect you have got. If Bhagavan blessings are not there, no ocean irukku enna prayojanam? Can you use that water? So Bhagavan blessings required, grace is required. So if everything food idane yosika mudiyum. So you need prosperity. And the Jammu Kashmir la poi ukkarந்து na dhyanam pandrena enna panna mudiyum? Panna mudiyuma? Nagaland, Manipur, you go and see. So if a person has to get that Mangalam, that Atma Vidya, you require a special composure, such a type of atmosphere. Otherwise you cannot do it all. Just imagine for a few moments if you are there, how you are going to. What about the self-knowledge? That is Bhur Bhur Lakshmi. Everything should be available. Otherwise, therefore we have to show our gratitude. Aha, na puro janma sukrutam. What a intelligence Bhagavan given to me. Guru, everything I have gotten. Not only your Purvajanma Punyam, there are so many factors, hundreds of factors for each and every step of your life. No? Success is depend on many factors. இது மறக்கவே கூடாது எப்போவுமே. அது ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும். அது இல்லைன்னா திமிருன்னு அர்த்தம். Pride increases. Next nama Suviraha 444. 945. 44. I am getting confusion numbers. Suviraha means Shobhana Vividha Ira Gatayaha Yasya Saha. Shobhana means here Mangalam, again beautiful you can take. Vividhaha and many variations, different forms. Who appears in beautiful forms. All beautiful forms are only Bhagavan forms. A person looks beautiful, Bhagavan's glory only. This is really like Vibhuti Yoga Madri. Bhagavan's Vibhuti, glory of the Lord. Suviraha. Otherwise, Shobhanam Vividham Irte iti. Who has various beautiful movements also. Shobhanam Vividham Irte means Gati, the movements. Who is having beautiful forms and beautiful movements. Vividham Irte iti Suviraha. Then Ruchirangadaha. Ruchire Kalyane. Ruchire means Kalyanam. Mangalamanadu. Kalyanamana Mangalam. Ruchiramana Mangalam. Paakradhaga alaha irukum. When you see the Bhagavan's face, you feel so pleasant. Oru manasu nimmadi அமைதி வரும். அதை பார்த்த உடனே அந்த மங்களமான ரூபம். ஏன்? That is Mangalam. Once you see Bhagavan, after getting up immediately you like to see Bhagavan's photo or any other's face? Nobody's face you like to see. என்னென்ன எல்லா அமங்கலமான ஆலோசனை எல்லாம் இருக்கும் அவங்களுக்கு. And the face also looks like that only. So therefore Bhagavan's face is Mangalam. Ruchiraman. Ruchiram Angadam means bodies, organs. Ruchire Kalyane Angade Asya iti. Ruchirangadaha. Here mainly organs means the armlets. Who is wearing the Bhujakirti on his shoulders? Armlets. Pair of attractive armlets. Who is having on his shoulders. Ruchirangadaha. You might have seen in Mahabharata, Krishna, they put every photo. The Kalpana, they see how, after seeing this only, they have done that photo. After that, for seeing photo only, they will do makeup. They keep that photo and they do makeup. How they bring that photo after reading this? How they have written this? They have read in Puranas, Shastras. So in Vedas it is there. So the Kalpana, the imagination, the Lord must be like this. இப்படி இருந்தாதான் இந்த ஆளுக்கு, the human being க்கு the growth will take place. Imagine what a tremendous evolution growth. அது people will criticize. என்ன இந்த பகவானுக்கு மொத்தம் ஒரு தொண்டம் மாதிரி கையில் 4 கை 5 கை அசஹ்யமானதுல சொல்லுவோம். So first you like to appreciate how the imagination has come. You appreciate that. The Valmiki, how he created Hanuman, a beautiful character. Suppose if you think as imagination, what a wonderful imagination he has got. But அதே ஹனுமான்ல என்ன மாதிரி குணங்கள் எல்லாம் வச்சிருக்காரு. நிர்பயத்துவம் அரோகதான புத்திர் பலம் யசோ தைரியம் அந்த குரங்குல. So they take it as Hanuman as monkey. But you see that Hanuman, the characters, how Valmiki has brought into in the highly imaginative or People are really creativity enna inga da paakano. What a creativity. That's why appreciate that creativity instead of criticizing. நீக்கு இமேஜினேஷன் பண்ணவே தெரியாது, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி கிடையாது, இருந்தது உடச்சிருவோம். டிஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் தான். நமக்கு கிரியேட் பண்ணுறது எங்கே தெரியும்? இருக்கிறது எப்படி டிஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணுவோம் சொல்லுவோம், அது பண்ணணும். புதுசாக ஏதாவது கண்டிப்படி ஏதாவது பண்ணோன்னா இந்த ஷேப் இல்லாமலே பண்ணுவோம், இது என்னன்னு தெரியாமலே. ஸோ அட்லீஸ்ட் ட்ரை டு அப்ரிஷியேட் த இமேஜினேஷன், ஹைலி கிரியேட்டிவ் aspect of that great people. No, அதுக்கே உனக்கு நிறைய மென்டல் மெச்சூரிட்டி வேணும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஸோ therefore Lord is called Ruchirangadaha, beautiful omelets, who is having not omelette, omelets, ARM, that R is silent. So Bhujakirtis, who is wearing. Then Jananaha. Jananaha means Jantun Janayan. Jantun means beings, animals, insects, all human beings and other beings also. Jantun Janayan, one who gives birth to living beings. Jantun Janayan. Therefore Lord Vishnu is called Jananaha. That's why mother is also called Janani. She gives birth to her child, Janani. Janakaha, father, Janakaha, Janani. So who is the ultimate father, mother and Lord Vishnu. Jana Janmadi. Janasya Janimataha Janma Udbhavaha. Janasya means all beings. No? Janasya, the life of all beings, the birth of all beings, Janma Udbhavaha, Tasyadihi Moola Karanamiti. He is the Moola Karanam. Like I told you, now Janani, mother is the cause for the Karanam for the child, isn't it? So for that mother, who is cause? And Lord. Mother is the Karanam for her children. That children are cause for their children. Like this, there are Karanam, Karyam, again they become Karanam, again Karyam, again they become Karanam, they become Karanam. Ultimate Karanam, Janasya Janajan. That's why it's called Jana Janmadiyan. This is the ultimate Karanam, Moola Karanam. Moola Karanam. Adi Pudikano. Moola Karanam we have to catch. So we should not claim, Nanda, I have given birth to you. உனக்கு யார் பர்த் கொடுத்துருக்கா, அது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். So that is why we have to remember all the time, I am the cause for this, I am the cause for this. And நினைப்பே வரக்கூடாது எதுக்குமே. Not only for progening children, anything whatever you do, I am the cause and சொல்லவே கூடாது. Because I am not the மூல காரணம், I am not the root cause. So Bhagavan only is the root cause, I am a temporary cause, intermediary cause. Avana ultimate cause Bhagavan. So therefore we say all ella Bhagavan செயல் anu சொல்லுவோம். Bhagavan செயல் enna, I have to remove my identity, individuality. Adi போகணும். Adi when it goes only I feel relaxed. You need not do any shavasana relaxation technique. Idida first you want to relax, I am relaxed because மூல காரணம் பகவான் இருக்காரு. Because through him only I am doing, like a representative madre. So therefore Bhagavan is called Jana Janmadihi. Then Bhimaha. Bhimaha means Bhaya Hetutvat Bhimaha. Hetu means Karanam, the cause of fear. Bhaya Hetutvat Bhimaha. Lord Vishnu is called Bhimaha because Shruti says Mahad Bhayam Vajramudyatam Bhishasmadvatah Pavate. Even the air moves because of out of fear. Bhishodeti Suryaha. Sun rises out of fear. Sunne Bhayama rising. And how much you should have fear. That's why we are already having fear. Sufficiently we have fear. That is why therefore you touch here. இது என்ன பயம் தான். தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன் மன்னிச்சுன்னு கேட்கணும். அடி போட்டுக்கிறோம் வந்து செத்தமாக போட்டுக்க மாட்டோம், லைட்டாக. ஸோ யூ சி சம் பீப்புள் டப்பு 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 டப்பா போட்டுருவாங்க. ஆனால் ஜாஸ்தி பண்ணிட்டோம்னு அர்த்தம். therefore அதெல்லாம் போட்டுக்கணும். when we were young, no, we used to put very much force they will put. That means what? We know that whatever mistakes we are committing, and slowly it has reduced. Now it has come like this style. It has transformed. They'll catch here, touch here also. This மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் பயம். All people you see out of fear. 99.99% கோவிலுக்கு போனா பூஜை பண்ணா பயம் மூலமா தானே பண்றான். Very few people, 1 or 2 you can count on fingers, tips. People who loves really Bhagavan without fear. Some people say I have no fear at all. Once in a while there is the fear varum. அது கூட வரக்கூடாது. தப்பு பண்ணல, தப்பு because we have taken Bhagavan as though he is always punishing one. அவருக்கு அவர் தான் வேலை, நம்ம பனிஷ் பண்றதை அவருக்கு வேலை நினைச்சுக்கிறோம். That is why we have fear. Like school master பார்த்துட்டு, when you go to school, really children are really பாவம், innocent, no? Children have tremendous fear on the teacher. அந்த டீச்சர் பார்த்தனா ஏதோ பூதம் பார்த்தன மாதிரி ரொம்ப பயப்படுவான். Even though they are not having that much, they are not showing anything, but teacher and பார்த்த உடனே அது என்னமோ ஒரு பயம், பக்தியோட பயம் வருது வேற. That is good, no? Healthy பயம். அது பயமா காமிக்கிறது, பயமா நடிக்கிறது என்ன, that is the healthy fear. பட் வேற இது வாட் எவர் we are doing பூஜானோ, அது இங்கே வச்சுனா என்ன ஆகுமோ, இது அங்கே வச்சுட்டா என்ன ஆகுமோ. I told you, some people they never try to remove even old calendars. I saw long back one picture, one person used to give arati. If you don't show to this god, he may think. He used to show all the photos daily, and the arati, that black, that cover, ella Bhagavan மூஞ்சிலோ அப்படியே கருப்பா இருக்கும். ஏன் அந்த ஆரத்தி கொடுத்தா he feels so Bhagavan. So he don't want to remove that black thing. எதுக்கு தெரியுமா? எல்லாம் க்ளீன் பண்ணிட்டான்னு அவர் பார்ப்பாரு. Whatever mistakes we do, he will see. Therefore let him be covered. தப்பு பண்ணா கூட தெரியாமல் இருக்காது. நல்ல பயம். So even Yamadharmaraja, Surya, Varuna, Vayu, Indra, Agni all have fear. What to talk of their generation? We are also having, that is continuing. That fear continues because he is called Bhima. That's why Bhima has got that name, because he looks, so body itself and paaknodane bhayama irukum. Bhimanude body. So then Bhima Parakramaha. So really we need not have any fear. In the beginning stage you can have fear some extent. Slowly that fear should convert into total bhakti. Bhaya bhakti ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அது தமிழில் இருக்கோ இல்லையோ தெரியல, இருக்கு, பயபக்தியோடு இருக்கு கொஞ்சம் நான் சொல்லுவோம். பயம் இருந்தால் தான் பக்தியே வரும், தெரியுமா? அப்பா அம்மா மேலே பயம் இருக்கணும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. அம்மா பார்த்தா பயமாக இருக்கணும், அப்பா பார்த்தா பயமாக இருக்கணும். இந்த பயம் எதனாலன்னா நாட் அவுட் ஆஃப் ஓன்லி ஃபியர், பக்தி மூலமாக வர பயம். பயபக்தியோடு இருன்னு சொல்லுவோம். பயபக்தியோடனா அந்த பயம் டோட்டலி கன்வெர்ட் இன்டு பக்தி. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் வித் பயம். பக்தி இல்லைன்னா பயம் இல்லைன்னா பக்தியே வராது. ஸோ டு சேஞ்ச் திஸ் பர்சன் இன்டு தட் அல்டிமேட் பக்தி, வித் தட் பக்தி திஸ் பர்சன் கெட்ஸ் ஞானம் இன் ஃபியூச்சர். அதனால தே வில் கிரியேட் பயம். பட் வாட் இஸ் அவர் ப்ராப்ளம்? கண்டினியூயிங் இன் த பயம், சீயிங் பகவான் ஆஸ் ஏ பூச்சி. Really, this is a very, very tragic, I will tell you. அது ரொம்ப பாவம். ரியல் ஐ வில் டெல் யூ. பாவம் என்னென்னா பகவான் ஏதோ ஒரு அந்த பயமாக பார்க்குறது, பக்தி இல்லாமலே ஏதோ அவர் நம்ம தண்டிக்கிறதுக்காக அங்கே உட்கார்ந்துருக்காரு அவர். இந்த ஆயுதம் எல்லாம் பிடிச்சிட்டு அவர் பரித்ராணாய சாதோனாம், ஹீ ஹேஸ் ஹோல்டிங் த ஆயுதம்ஸ். பட் ஆயுதம்ஸ் நாட் ஃபார் மை சேக், ஃபார் த சேக் ஆஃப் bad people, evil people. Those ayudhams he will use. But another hastam, abhaya hastam is there for my sake. Why can't you join in this party? Why you have to join in that party, evil party? Alla akramam panni பகவானை ப்ளேம் பண்ணுறது. பகவான் டஸ் 2 jobs. He creates fear and he creates bhakti also. So if you have bhakti by yourself, okay. இல்லைன்னா அடி, then bhakti. அடி பண்ணனா பக்தியே வரும். So some people, Bhagavan, they don't have bhakti, they don't care for the Lord, bhakti இல்லைன்னா, so he create bhayam in them. How he create bhayam? By giving lot of problems. எக்கச்சக்கமாக ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுத்து கொடுத்து அடியோ அடி ஒன்னே வந்துட்டே வந்திருக்கும் ப்ராப்ளம். அப்படி வந்தால் தான் இவனுக்கு ஒரு தலை வாட்டி சுற்றி சுற்றி பகவானேன்னு விழுந்துவான். நீங்கள் வந்து முன்னாடியே வந்தேன்னா பக்தி நல்லா இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? அப்படி கேட்க மாட்டேன். சில பேருக்கு அப்படி அவசியம் அது. ஸோ ஜென்மாந்திர சம்ஸ்காரம் இருந்ததுன்னா பக்தி வந்துடும். ஸோ இப்படி வரலன்னா பகவான் will take care of. That's why in 2 hands. One is all ஆயுதம்ஸ், weapons to destroy the evil people. So they have to afraid of Lord, not good people. If I am good, I am virtuous, I am living according to the Bhagavan's vidhi, no, Vedic dharma, I need not afraid of Lord. For those people, Bhima Parakramaha means Asuradinam Bhayahetuhu. Now just I told you, no, that one is coming. Asuradinam Bhayahetu. He is the cause for fear to whom? Asuradinam. Rakshasas. Why? When you are doing wrong, you know that you are doing wrong. Therefore you have fear. Ravana knows what he has done, the mistake, the papam, he knows. Therefore he is always afraid of Rama. But just the name Namkevasi, he says, I am not afraid of anyone, I am so powerful, I am so great, he says. But உள்ளுக்குள்ள அந்த தப்பு பண்ண இருக்கு இல்லையா, that will never allow you to sleep, to eat properly. Because once you know, if I have committed a mistake, that itself tortures you, not any other person. That's why Bhagavan gives punishment through your mind alone. பகவான் வந்து கொடுக்க அவசியமே கிடையாது. See, this is, you have to think really. நம்ம ஏதாவது தவறு பேசினா கூட, if you talk, if you do any action, evil actions, evil thoughts, evil words, if you use bad words, if you use, அந்த பண்ணின தவறுக்கு, அந்த மிஸ்டேக்கு, your mind itself will punish you. No other person is necessary actually, really speaking. Bhagavan already kept that mechanism inside. That's why who knows this fact, this is very subtle. A person has to come over from the gross level, he has to become a sensitive person. If he is sensitive, if Bhagavan sees or not, if anybody sees or not for others' sake, he lives in a righteous way. He knows, if I live righteously, if I do righteous actions, if I talk, if I all manasa vacha karmana I am righteous, I am the person going to be happy. This is called maturity. இதுக்கே நிறைய மெச்சூரிட்டி வேணும், சென்சிட்டிவிட்டி கூட வேணும், அந்த சூக்ஷ்ம புத்தி வேணும். இது இல்லாதவனுக்கு எங்கேயோ கிராஸ், இந்த மாடெல்லாம் கிராஸ் லெவல், அதுக்கு ஒன்றும் தெரியவே தெரியாது. மழை வந்தால் கூட தெரியாது. அது மாதிரி நமக்கு எத்தனை ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வந்தால் கூட தெரியாது. கொஞ்சம் சென்சிட்டிவாக இருக்கனுக்கு தான் நான் என்ன பேசுகிறேன், என்ன பண்ணுறேன், வாட் ஐம் திங்கிங் லெவல் ஆல்சோ ஹி திங்ஸ். தேர்ஃபோர் அசுராதீனாம் பயஹேதுஹு பராக்கிரமஹ அஸ்ய அவதாரேஷு இதி. In each avatar, that Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Rama, Krishna, Balarama, all these avatars, why those avatars? They know these evil Rakshasas knows Bhagavan is going to come in this avatara. In this avatar he is going to kill us. Adi every moment it is coming in mind. Therefore that bhayahetutvat parakramah, that Bhagavan comes with that parakramam also. When he takes avatara, with full power he has to come to kill these people, evil people. Therefore parakramah asya avatareshu iti bhima parakramah. Next sloka. Adhara nilayo dhata pushpahasah prajagarah urdhvagas satpathacharah pranadah pranavah panah. Adharah, 950 आधारनिलय आधारः आधारनिलयः full one name oh correct 900 आधारनिलयः पृथिव्यादीनां पंचभूतानां पंचभूतानाम् आधाराणाम् आधारत्वात् so prithvi is the adhara panchabhutas are also adhara means here support so for our life prithvi is the support and not only that panchabhutas are also support in the panchabhutanla even one panchabhuta do strike out so panchabhutas are adhara for my life so prithvi and panchabhutas are adhara for us for them Lord Vishnu is the adhara the previous patrana adamala Lord Vishnu is the adhara for this prithvi and panchabhutas how that Lord said Shruti also says tasmadva etasmad atmana akasha sambhutah आकाशाद्वायुः वायोरग्निः अग्नेरापः अभ्यः पृथिवी पृथिव्याम् ओषधयः ओषधीभ्योऽन्नम् अन्नात् पुरुषः so therefore from that Brahman akasha to vayu to agni to apah jalam then prithvi so like this so who is adhara nilayah adhara of adhara Lord Vishnu Brahman then adhata 951 adhata swatmana dhritasya asya anyah dhata nasti swatmana dhritasya by himself the Lord Vishnu means by himself he stands he establishes no, himself, not by depending on anything. Then he says, Asya anyah dhata nasti. Asya anyah dhata nasti. So no other supporter for him. So for everything. So the Lord, he is independent. Independent means not depending on anything. But he is the adhishthanam or the substratum. Nothing is, he is not depending on anything, but everything is depending on him. Therefore, adhata. Next nama, pushpahasaha. Another meaning is that this is the first meaning for dhata. The second meaning Acharya says, samhara samaye sarvaha prajaha dhayati. Samhara samayana at the time of pralayam, dissolution, dhayati means pibati. Dhayadhata. Pibati means he swallows, he drinks. Nama coffee our whole creation he swallows. That's why when the Krishna opened his mouth, the whole creation is there inside. So, dhayati. Dhayati means flying. Tatha, dadha, fourth dha. Samhara samaya, at the time of dissolution, pralaya, sarvaha prajaha. That's why Vatapatra Shai, at the time of creation, the whole creation dissolves into it. This is a Purana story. So into consciousness, everything resolves. You take Parabrahma Swarupam into the consciousness, that is called Turiyam. That we have seen in Tattva Bodha. Vishwa Tejasa Prajna, Turiyam, ultimate. So that Turiyam state, we are going to see that all, we are going to study. So that is everything dissolves into the consciousness. That they said in Puranas in this way. ஸோ இந்த புராணத்தில் வந்து அந்த ஃபிலாசபிக்கல் ஆங்கிளுக்கு போகணும். எத்தனை ஜென்மம் ஆகாமல் பாருங்க. ஸோ அந்த ஸ்டோரியிலோ உட்காரக்கூடாது அப்படியே. धातु पिबति इति धाता धेट पाने धातु इज कॉल्ड धेट धेट मीन्स पाने ड्रिंकिंग इति धातः धातुः देन पुष्पहासः 952 पुष्पहासः मीन्स मुकुलात्मना स्थितानां पुष्पाणां हासवत् प्रपंचरूपेण विकासः मुकुलात्मना स्थितानां पुष्पाणां just as the flower, the bud blossoms, similarly Bhagavan also blossoms. Mukulatmana sthitanam pushpanam hasavat, when they blossom they look so pleasant. How Bhagavan blossoms? Prapancha rupena. Prapancha rupena. Now you are seeing the flower which is blossomed. The flower, what is that flower? Bhagavan. The whole world is like a flower. Prapancha rupena vikasah asya iti. Vikasah means blossoming. Nalla malarudhu nu sollala malarudhu. So Bhagavan is called pushpahasah. So when you are seeing a flower, this is small flower. You see the whole jagat is like a flower. Prapancha rupena Bhagavan malarudhu blossoms. So pushpahasah. So now we are all like petals. Engo irukom. No, we are all from there, no? Prapancha rupena Bhagavan. So pushpahasah Lord Vishnu. We'll see more in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.